Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel My Little Paradise. So today's video is going to be on a solution preparation. An alkaline solution preparation for making your soil pH alkaline or increasing your soil pH. This solution is highly recommended for chrysanthemum cultivation. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. For making this solution at home, we just need two ingredients: a bucket full of water and calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is easily available at the market. Such a sack is available. We just need to add this calcium carbonate in a bucket of water. Now let's see where we can apply this solution. Continuous watering your plant makes the soil pH low, that is acidic. For bringing your soil pH from acidic to neutral, you can apply this solution. If you are fond of organic gardening, you must apply it because the organic matter decomposes well when the soil is alkaline. Next comes when to apply it. This will increase the rate of organic decomposition as the microbial population in the soil will increase when the soil is slightly alkaline. Just add the calcium carbonate in the water and keep it aside for a week. Don't stir it or don't move the bucket. Keep the bucket in rest as much as possible. So this is basically the reactions. Calcium carbonate breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide or lime water. This calcium hydroxide or lime water is the one which we need to apply to the plants. After keeping aside the solution for 6 to 7 days, such an insoluble layer will be formed over the solution. We just need to remove this insoluble layer with our hands and take the clear water out. There is also a white color sediment below the clear solution. We should not disturb that white color sediment. The insoluble layer above the solution is nothing but calcium carbonate itself. When calcium hydroxide reacts with the atmospheric carbon dioxide, a layer of insoluble calcium carbonate is formed. Don't forget, do not agitate or stir the water much. If you do so, the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere will react with the clear water and it will make the water pure white. That is, insoluble calcium carbonate will again form. Just carefully separate the transparent lime water. Do not agitate it, otherwise the insoluble precipitate will get dissolved in the water. So this is how it looks. It is completely transparent. Apply this to your plant by diluting it with water in the ratio 1:10. That is, 1 mug of lime water should be mixed with 10 more mugs of water. Thanks for watching. Hope my video is helpful for you. For any query, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Take care and bye bye.